Hello guys! Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you!
Ang ating gagawin for today ay kung paano mag-hard reset ng ating Huawei y6p. First, kailangan natin i-power on. Ayan. And then, long press for the power off. Kailangan kasi naka-power off siya. Click the power off. Ayan. And then, hold the power button and up volume button. Kailangan kasi guys sabay yung pag-press ng volume power at saka yung button at saka yung power button. Long press. And then bitawan natin yung power button. Iwan tayo sa power up volume button. Antayin natin siyang mamatay. Yan. Tayin din natin muli siya mag-start. Magpa-power on. Ayun, tagal-tagal. So, we need to wait. Ayun, huwag po natin galawin hanggat hindi siya nag-power on. And then, click clear data. Then, factory reset. And then, we need to type YES. Sa taas guys. Ayun. YS. It's yes. Then go factory reset.
For those not yet subscribe na po kayo guys, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you and keep on watching guys. Ayan, antay natin and then click back and then restart. Antay tayo, mamamatay lang po siya yan. And then mag-o-auto start po siya, mag-o-open. Ayun. Ayan na po, nag-start na yung ating phone. And then get started. Sundan na lang po natin yung mga instruction. Ganyan lang po ang pag-hard reset ng ating phone. Ganyan lang po, sundan lang natin. So on and so on. So, wala pa yung SIM, skip na lang natin. And then, dadaan tayo ng Wi-Fi. So, ganyan lang po. So,